Imagine sitting for hours on end in a chair that cradles your body, subtly adjusting its shape to support your every move, every twist, and every turn. As your muscles relax and your mind focuses, you feel a sense of harmony and balance that's elusive in today's fast-paced, sedentary world. Welcome to the Herman Miller Embody Ergonomic Office Chair, a game-changer in ergonomic design that's redefining the way we work and interact with our surroundings. But let's face it, the world of ergonomic office chairs is crowded and complex. We're faced with countless options, each promising to deliver the ultimate in comfort and support. Problem is, many of them fall short of their lofty claims, leaving us with backaches, neck strain, and a lingering sense of dissatisfaction. This is where the Embody chair truly shines, addressing the market gap for a chair that not only meets our physical needs, but also our aspirations for a healthier, more productive work environment. So, let's start with the design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice about the Embody is its sleek, sophisticated aesthetic. The chair's frame is crafted from durable, high-quality materials that feel substantial and reassuring to the touch. The rhythm fabric, in particular, is a standout feature. Its smooth, tight weave is not only visually appealing, but also surprisingly soft to the fingertips. What's more, the fabric is designed to prevent heat buildup, ensuring a comfortable temperature even during the most intense periods of use. But beneath the Embody stylish surface lies a sophisticated ergonomic design that's been carefully crafted by a team of experts in biomechanics, vision, physical therapy, and ergonomics. This collective expertise has resulted in a chair that not only looks good, but also functions beautifully. The Embody's back design, for instance, is inspired by the natural curvature of the spine, with multiple adjustment points that allow you to tailor the chair to your unique shape and preferences. Another key feature of the Embody is its innovative backfit adjustment mechanism. This clever design allows the chair's back to adjust independently of the seat and arms, creating a bespoke fit that cradles your entire body. It's a simple yet brilliant innovation that's transformed the way we think about ergonomic seating. But the Embody is more than just a pretty face. It's also a powerhouse of functionality. The chair's arms, for instance, are fully adjustable, allowing you to position them to suit your preferences. Whether you're working at a desk, collaborating with colleagues, or simply enjoying some downtime, the Embody's adaptable arms ensure that you're comfortable and supported every step of the way. The Embody's casters, meanwhile, are designed to glide smoothly across various surfaces, making it easy to move the chair around your workspace as needed. And with soft-touch carpet casters, you can confidently navigate even the most sensitive flooring without any risk of damage. Now, let's talk about how the Embody performs in real-world testing. I spent several hours in the chair, working on various tasks and activities, and I was consistently impressed by its comfort and support. The Embody's ergonomic design really does live up to its billing, providing a sense of harmony and balance that's hard to find in other chairs. One of the areas where the Embody truly excels is its ability to support healthy movement. The chair's intelligent design encourages you to move and stretch throughout the day, rather than sitting still for hours on end. This subtle but powerful innovation has made a real difference in my productivity and overall well-being. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning the Embody's potential drawbacks. One area where the chair could improve is in its adjustability. While the Embody is generally very adjustable, some users may find it tricky to fine-tune their perfect fit. Additionally, the chair's price point is definitely on the higher end of the spectrum, making it inaccessible to some budgets. But compared to other ergonomic chairs on the market, the Embody is a solid choice. Its unique blend of form and function sets it apart from more budget-friendly options, which often trade off on aesthetics or adjustability. The Embody, on the other hand, offers a premium experience that's hard to find elsewhere. If you're in a market for a top-of-the-line ergonomic chair that's designed to take your comfort and productivity to the next level, the Herman Miller Embody is definitely worth considering. With its innovative design, exceptional build quality, and powerful functionality, this chair is a game changer in every sense of the word. So what are you waiting for? Treat yourself to a healthier, more enjoyable work experience with the Herman Miller Embody Ergonomic Office Chair. Order yours today and discover a new world of comfort and productivity waiting for you.